In this video, I will show you step by step how to change YouTube video title just in few seconds. So this will be quick tutorial for you guys, step by step. So let's get started. So what you need to do first, you need to go to your YouTube channel like this, okay? And click over here on this icon of your YouTube channel. Then go to YouTube Studio, okay? Click on YouTube Studio. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on content, okay? And it's gonna take you to this page over here, and you will find all your videos that you uploaded, and you need to search for the video that you want to change the title for, okay? So for example, I want to change the title for this video, okay? I will click over here on details, okay? And it's gonna take you to this page, and what you need to do, just click here and change the title, okay? You can change this title or add new details if you want, okay? After you finish, click over here on save, and here you go. That's how you can change YouTube title video just in few seconds. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.